Maritza is baking cookies to bring to school and share with her friends on her birthday. The recipe requires 3 eggs for every 2 cups of sugar. To have enough cookies for all of her friends, Maritza determined she would need 12 eggs. If her mom bought 6 cups of sugar, does she have enough sugar to make the cookies? Why or why not? Let's start with our ratio. We have 3 eggs to 2 cups of sugar. So if she had 12 eggs, then we would need 4 in each box. That would be 4, 8, 12. So then she would need 8 cups of sugar for the recipe. So does she have enough? No. She would need 8 cups of sugar to make the cookies. She's too short. She has 6. If she had 2 more, that would give us 8. Looking at number 2. Hamza bought 8 gallons of brown paint to paint his kitchen and dining room. Unfortunately, when Hamza started painting, he thought the paint was too dark for his house, so he wanted to make it lighter. The store manager would not let Hamza return the paint, but did inform him that if he used 1/4 of a gallon of white paint mixed with 2 gallons of brown paint, he would get the same shade of brown he desired. If Hamza decided to take this approach, how many gallons of white paint would Hamza need to buy to lighten the 8 gallons of brown paint? So, 1/4 of white to 2 gallons of brown. So we have 2 brown. I'm going to make them large. That way when we do 1/4, we can see, well, that's only a small portion of 1. So he has 8 gallons of brown, which means each box needs 4. But if this is 1/4 and the whole thing is 4, each quarter section would only need 1 to make that whole piece. So he needs 1 gallon of white paint.